adorable. So as you can see, I'm very excited because I got another package. If you haven't seen my first package from Haito or from Zara, is this one. So if you didn't see that video for a while, just click it at the suggested box. It's just right there. And if you haven't seen the second unboxing of my second LPS from Haito or from Lazada, it's this one. It's adorable. It's a little collie. And as always, click it as suggested box. So yeah, I ordered this. I don't know if it's a Chihuahua or a Great Dane. So yeah, let's just get started. Oh yeah, here it is. I don't know. Wait, where's our location? I'm gonna cover it. But yeah, I don't know how much it is. God, how much is it? 400. 400? Oh, okay. Okay, so if you're the person who said, so yeah, let's just open it. It's the package. Before we open it, it's so big. It's kind of different. Yeah, I'm gonna open it in this camera. So. Oh no, this one go here. Okay, I'm gonna be so sad if this is a scam. Oh my dog. Okay, I ripped the packaging. It's fine. There you go. Oh my god, there's a lot of packaging. It's super hard. There you go. Okay. Mom is here if you can see us cousin. Oh, is that? So adorable. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Oh, it doesn't have a magnet. Well, that's a little scam. Scam thing on me. Oh, sorry. No. Oh, it's adorable. Thank you. Oh, dog. So adorable. I never touched this great big. It's real. It's real.
It's a fake or ano?
Ow! My head. Well, it doesn't have an LPS mark, but it has a clear head though.
There's no LPS.
Yep.
And there's no magnet.
Yeah, but I saw some reviews. It has a picture and it has a magnet. So that's a little scam. But it's still adorable. I never touched it. It's adorable. I'm gonna name it Justin. This is adorable. And it's gonna be sister of Nikki. Wait, which one is it going on? It's so cute, I can't stop. So I'm just gonna have a little review since I'm very excited. So yeah, it has these different colored eyes that I absolutely love. So yeah, here's the Great Dane. It's very in good condition. It bubbles too much like my dog. But it looks so real in camera. I mean, just kidding. It looks real too in camera, I suppose. And it's my first Great Dane. It is very adorable. And I really fell in love with those eyes. See? Look at those. It's different. It's different. And the thingy here, it's like, I have no idea. I think this is a wear on PSM, I suppose. And I really like the bone here. I'm gonna try some outfits that I made like 1 day ago. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, it's already there. Okay, I thought it was not on the phone. And look at this outfit. It's like a collar. And I'm gonna do compare them to. Oh, I'm gonna do the second outfit just for me. So this is the second outfit. Is a green collar. It's not really real. I just made it out of clay, so yeah. It's very adorable. And let's compare with these two. I mean, they're brothers and sisters, but they like not the same. So yeah. This first one is like authentic. Her white is just a little yellowish, but that's fine. But this one, the white is wearing good condition. And yeah. It's not, this one has a red nose like Rudolph, but not really big. Where is Rudolph? Like this, not like that. Not really that big, and it's super adorable. See? She's kind of little yellowish a little bit, but this one, oh my dog. Let's see the wobble test. So this one wobbles like a little too hard. See? Let's see this dude's turn. Oh, it's the same wobble. I thought it was gonna be a scam because it says Chihuahua and it's actually a Great Dane. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So, as usual, I always name the pets, but I have no more clue, like, what should I name this guy? Of course, Justin. It looks like Justin Spielberg from LPS hashtag Dares, from Pop Lover X63, so I'm just gonna, yep. So yes, I'm gonna make this one as my mascot, just for only this video. So, hope you like this video, and so, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And please stay tuned for my upcoming videos. So, yeah, bye! And I'm very happy that I got it. Bye.